Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Lola, one of the most iconic characters from Shark Tale, staying true to her original movie style, glamorous, confident, and full of attitude. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because it really helps the channel grow and reach more people who love drawing. Now grab your materials, get comfy, and enjoy the process as we draw together. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video anytime and go at your own pace. Lola is one of the most recognizable characters from Shark Tale, known for her glamorous and confident personality. She was voiced by Angelina Jolie, which helped bring her seductive and stylish presence to life. Lola works at the whale wash, the underwater version of a car wash in the film. Her character design was inspired by classic femme fatale archetypes from cinema. Lola plays a key role in the story by influencing Oscar's rise in popularity. Her personality contrasts with Angie, highlighting different character dynamics in the film. Shark Tale was released in 2004 by DreamWorks Animation. The film combines underwater life with a city-like environment, inspired by urban culture. Lola's design emphasizes large eyes, bold makeup, and flowing shapes to enhance her charisma. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And be sure to check out the video where I teach how to draw Oscar. Just click the card above. Now tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? The animators used exaggerated expressions to match the film's comedic tone. Many characters in Shark Tale were designed to resemble the actors who voiced them. The movie mixes humor, music, and pop culture references throughout its story. Lola represents themes of temptation, image, and social status within the narrative. Her her strong visual identity made her one of the most memorable characters in the film. The film was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature. Over time, Shark Tale became a nostalgic favorite for many fans of early 2000s animation. For colors, we're using strong pinks, reds, purples, and soft skin tones, combining darker shades for shadows and lighter tones for highlights to give the character more depth and shine. But feel free to color Lola however you like. This is your artwork. And here's our Lola, stylish, expressive, and true to the original Shark Tale look. I hope you were inspired and had fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.